This is TCL 408, and today I will show how you can connect this device to VPN. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN, so let me do exactly that. Then launch the app, tap at the green continue button, skip this ad, and finally, if you would like to connect your phone to VPN, tap at the caret looking icon over here, confirm the connection request, and the VPN was successfully connected to. In order to change the server, tap over here, choose the server you would like the app to reconnect you to, and well, here it is. If you would like to turn the VPN off, tap over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.